Here's the truth nobody tells you about de-icing your sidewalk. You're probably doing it wrong, and that's why you're outside 3 times a day fighting the same patch of ice. I'm about to show you a DIY solution that not only melts ice faster than expensive store-bought products, but actually prevents it from refreezing for up to 3 days, and it costs about $2. Hey everyone, winter can turn your sidewalk into a skating rink overnight, and if you're tired of slipping, chipping away at ice, or watching it refreeze hours after you clear it, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing a simple, effective DIY de-icing method using ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why your sidewalk keeps refreezing. When you just shovel snow or pour hot water on ice, you're only treating the surface. The concrete stays cold, moisture remains, and the second temperatures drop, you're back to square one. We need a solution that melts existing ice and creates a barrier against refreezing. Here's what you'll need. 1 gallon of warm water, 2 tablespoons of dish soap, 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol, and half a cup of salt. Table salt or rock salt both work. The science here is simple. The rubbing alcohol lowers the freezing point dramatically. The salt melts ice and also prevents refreezing. The dish soap helps the solution stick to the surface instead of running off, and it breaks the surface tension so the mixture penetrates deeper into the ice. Step 1. Clear off as much loose snow as you can with a shovel or broom. Don't wear yourself out chipping ice yet. Step 2. Mix your ingredients in a bucket or watering can. The warm water helps activate everything faster. Step 3. Pour or spray the solution generously over icy areas. For thick ice, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You'll actually see and hear it working as the ice cracks and separates from the concrete. Step 4. Now comes the easy part. Use your shovel or a sturdy broom to push away the loosened ice and slush. It should come up much easier than before. Step 5. Apply a second lighter coat of the solution to the cleared sidewalk. This creates that protective barrier that prevents refreezing. A few pro tips to make this even more effective. 1. Apply this solution before a storm if you can. Pre-treating your sidewalk makes snow and ice much easier to remove later. 2. If you don't have rubbing alcohol, you can substitute vodka or use extra salt, though it won't be quite as effective at preventing refreezing. 3. For really stubborn ice, add a 1/4 cup of white vinegar to your mixture. The acetic acid gives you extra melting power. 4. Save time by using a pump sprayer or watering can instead of pouring from a bucket. Quick safety note, while this solution is much safer for plants and pets than pure salt, you still want to use it thoughtfully. Avoid oversaturating areas near garden beds and rinse your pet's paws if they walk through treated areas. Let's talk cost. A typical bag of commercial ice melt runs $10 to $20 and might last you a few applications. This DIY recipe costs about $2 per gallon, and 1 gallon typically treats a standard driveway or long sidewalk. You're looking at serious savings over the winter season, so there you have it. A simple, effective, budget-friendly way to de-ice your sidewalk and keep it clear. No more endless cycle of shoveling the same spots over and over. Give this a try the next time winter hits, and let me know how it works for you in the comments. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical DIY solutions. Stay safe out there, and remember, the best time to de-ice your sidewalk is before you actually need to. See you in the next one.